My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Yes, everybody wants to stay healthy, especially during this COVID time. I know it's very hard, but all of us are managing, and we are just going to manage all the situations like this. And today's recipe is a normal, healthy, yes, it's an instant, healthy green pea soup. Yes, you have to just prepare and it will be ready within 10 minutes. You are going to fall for it. And don't forget, I'm also practicing as a dietitian, wherein you can take my consultation. You have to just fill the form. Yes, it's given in the description box below, and I will contact you on your email or on your WhatsApp, whichever you find it convenient. And don't forget to check your junk mails even. So let's begin with the delicious, instant, healthy green pea soup. Lovely color, lovely texture, and full of vitamins, minerals, fiber and protein. So let's begin with it. Well, I am preparing this instant and healthy green pea soup, and it's very easy. Just take a mixer jar, and to which I am going to add the green peas. Yes, these are your fresh green peas because it's winter and it's easily available. Here I am adding a garlic pot. My garlic pot is quite big, so I am adding only one piece. You can add more even depending upon the flavor you want. Add some cashew nuts into it. Some green chilies I've added, some ginger I've added, and here goes the spinach. Yes, I'm adding spinach into it to get the maximum benefit of the magnesium element which is present in spinach even, and also in the peas, that is your green peas. Here I've added some salt and some water. Don't add much water now because you're going to mix it up and you're going to churn it. So if it's filled up with water right now, it will spill. So add little water right now and puree it fine. Yes, you have to just puree it fine. Now heat a pan, and now I'm going to add some oil into it. That is your olive oil I've added to it, and I'm adding some cashew nuts. You can avoid if you don't want it. I'm just adding it because I love that crispy, crunchy cashews, and they are also very good in vitamins and minerals. Just saute it so that it becomes golden brown in color, crispy and crunchy, and I'm going to just take it off. This you can easily avoid. If you don't like, you can just avoid this step. Just pour the pureed mixture into the pan. So now I've just taken out the fried pieces of the cashews, and I'm pouring the peas puree into it. Yes, the green peas puree goes into the pan. See how it's sizzling because my oil is hot. Lovely color, beautiful. This looks so lovely. This is one recipe which is made within 5 minutes. Yes, actually it takes not more than 5 minutes to be made. I'm going to add some water into the jar so that the remaining portions also I can add into it. The remaining peas which is in puree, which is inside the mixer jar, that is also used, and just stir and cook on medium to slow flame, and slowly my peas will get cooked up. You know, pea is very rich in antioxidants, minerals. It has rich in fiber even. So it is one dish, and you know it is rich in protein even. So a very good. It is basically a lentil but used mostly as a vegetable with lots of mix and match. See, this looks so lovely, and this is almost done. Yes, once it starts boiling, you have to give just 2 to 3 minutes boil. Now comes the tasting time. The flavor is awesome, but it requires some salt. So I am adding some salt in it. Add some salt depending upon the taste, and just mix it up, and it's done. Perfectly cooked. See the lovely green color it has taken. it is quite thick, you can add little more water even. I am adding some black pepper powder into it and just mix it up. And my peas, green peas soup is ready. Yes, my green peas, instant, healthy, whatever you say, it is ready, prepared within 5 minutes. This you can enjoy as it is if you haven't fried the cashew nuts, or you can have it as a meal even, which I actually tell my clients, perfect meal which you can prepare and keep, and you can have this whenever you feel hungry for those small hunger pangs even. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this instant and healthy green pea soup, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.